Today is going to be an amazing day. I have waited 4 months since I got this car to get this mod. The exhaust is finally here for this car. Let's go ahead and check it out. So the exhaust is finally here. I'm super pumped about this. So this is a titanium custom one-off exhaust. This is from Advanced Innovations R&D. I'll go ahead and put their Instagram down below. Oh my God. Look at this. You guys, this is incredible. It's so light. Look at this. This is artwork right here. Check that out. Look how light this is. This is probably like 3-4 pounds right here. Probably weighs 3-4 pounds. That's crazy. This is going to look so good. We need to check this out in the sun. Check this out. Oh my goodness. Look at this. If you guys have never heard a muffler delete on a GT3, the exhaust sounds so incredible. This is going to sound like an F1 car. I'm so excited for this. And we're gonna put it on today, so that's the best part. We're gonna get some sound clips, but seriously, artwork. You could put this on a table. It's just beautiful. So again, Advanced Innovations R&D out of California. Fernando hooked it up, so thank you, Fernando. I appreciate that. I am so excited to get this on the GT3 today. Look at that exhaust. All right, so the best part is, as good as this looks, it's gonna sound even better than it looks. Let's go ahead, we're gonna go to the shop. Before that, I'm gonna get a cold start on the original exhaust so you guys can hear that. We'll do valves open, valves closed. We'll get this installed, we'll do the same, and then we'll take it out for some nice runs, and you get to hear this beautiful F1 sound from this car. I'm so excited, I cannot wait to hear what it's gonna sound like. So here's a cold start, let's go ahead and do it. That's a cold start on the OEM exhaust. I have a feeling when I get that new exhaust, it is going to be so loud. I can't wait. I'm so excited to hear this. Oh, it's going to be awesome. All right, so now that it's warmed up, you can hear that it's a little quieter. Valves are open right now. But let's go ahead, go over to the shop, get that new exhaust installed. Let's get a little before downshift right here. Stock exhaust. Yeah, still sounds pretty good. But again, I just can't wait to hear it with the with that titanium exhaust. Yeah, it just sounds good. Stop. All right, everyone. So after a long install, it took way longer than it should have. I had a couple of rusted bolts, but exhaust is on. All right, so without further ado, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and fire this up, the one-off titanium exhaust. All right, go ahead and fire it up. Right now, hold on, I'm gonna get them to open up the valves. All right, so the valves are open right now. This thing sounds awesome. Yeah, give it some revs. Oh. Oh my gosh. Sounds so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, the titanium exhaust is here. This thing sounds insane right now. This car just went to a whole nother level, got that F1 sound. It's got the crackles and pops at the end. So we're gonna go ahead and put both paddles in, rev it up to 9,000 RPM for you. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. What the? Oh my God. Yower, cut it off. Cut it off. Oh my God. the heck? That exhaust is seriously mental. It's just mind-blowing, absolutely insane. I'm super pumped to have this. So dark outside right now, unfortunately, so we're gonna have to go ahead and fast forward into tomorrow so that way I can show you what the exhaust looks like when it's installed, and we'll get some drive-bys and flybys and launches and all that stuff tomorrow. So lucky for you guys, it'll just be like that. For me, I gotta wait a little bit, so let's get right into it. Welcome back to a new day. So got the car here. Let's go ahead and check out the exhaust now that you can see it in the daytime. Looks beautiful. I'll get you guys a shot underneath. Yeah, this looks super cool. All the welds and everything, all the purple, titanium. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing a cold start and then take it out for a drive. Open the valve right there. Stupid, right? It's crazy. So yeah, we're gonna take this thing out and get some nice shots, do some flybys and all that. So let's go do that. All right, so we're out cruising around. You gotta roll down the windows to hear the true. So good. Alright, so we're gonna go find a road that we can be safe, obviously, and then we'll do some flybys. Got a tunnel coming up. Oh, a red light, so this will be perfect. Got an underpass. So we're going to do a little bit of launch control activated.
That's nasty.
Alright everyone, so I hope that you really enjoyed the clips. This exhaust just sounds absolutely insane. It doesn't even drone either. Like if you're just wanting to cruise, close the valves, still very daily drivable if you want that. So again, shout out to Advanced Innovations R&D. Fernando, thank you again for hooking it up. Car sounds absolutely mental. This is the sound that you want to achieve from a GT3. So just thank you again for that. This car, like no one really looked at this car before, and then now with this exhaust, like it's obviously more noticeable, which you know, I'm fine with. You don't get a GT3 really just for everybody to look at. It's not like a Lamborghini or a Ferrari, but this exhaust, like, I am beyond pleased with this. It just sounds so insane. This car, this motor, So awesome. So that's gonna do it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. I don't know how you can not give this video a thumbs up. Car sounds insane. And remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and just like that, Shane shows out. Peace.